Hey there, welcome to Electric Wheelchairs USA Mobility Experts channel. In this video, we're going to go over Pride Mobility's newest folding mobility scooter. It's called the GoGo Carbon. Now, Pride Mobility does have a very popular lightweight power wheelchair called the Pride Jazzy Carbon. This is the GoGo Carbon. So this is a carbon fiber frame. Now the scooter weighs just 35 pounds once the battery is removed. It's airline approved. It has a 10-mile battery range and a 300-pound weight capacity. It's a really sleek looking folding mobility scooter, and we're going to show you some more about it. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of content coming out showcasing different products from different brands, not just Pride Mobility. So if you subscribe to our channel, you won't miss out any of those videos. Also, we do have a catalog. If you'd like to have a physical catalog mailed to your home, you can go to the top of our website, click on free catalog, then you would fill out your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you. You can also call us to provide that information, and you have that option as well. So let's get into it, and we'll show you some more about the GoGo Carbon. So one of the first things about the GoGo Carbon is it has the carbon fiber frame is very sleek. Like, it has this really glossy finish. It's a nice finish to it. So it's in the hubcaps. It's also in the tiller, you can see. So you can see like the design of it. It's really nice. Now, a couple things that I really like about it is you can remove the battery. So here's the charging port. So you can charge it directly on the scooter if you wanted to, or you can remove the battery. And then you can bring it inside your home. You can charge it. You can press this button to get a battery meter. You can see how much it's charged. We just opened this, so it's about 60% charged. We do recommend for the first 2 weeks of owning any mobility product, you want to charge the batteries every night for the first 2 weeks, regardless if you ride it or not. And then that breaks in the batteries, and that way you'll get more longevity out of them. So it's a tip we like to share. So you can bring this battery inside your home. You can charge it in your home. You don't have to bring the whole scooter in. And once it's charged, just bring it back out and slide it right onto here, and then it snaps right into place. It also has a telescoping tiller. So the tiller can telescope up or down in height, which is nice. It does not tilt and angle, so you cannot tilt it towards you. Also, the GoGo Carbon does not have armrests, so that's something else to keep in mind. There is a nice padding here on the backrest and the seat itself. So in order to fold it, I'll show you how to do that. It folds differently than any other mobility scooter that I've seen on the market. First step is fold the seat back down. I've already telescoped the tiller all the way in, and then you just pull up from this handle just like that. And when you pull it, because the back part of the scooter is heavier, these will automatically just slide towards it. And then you want to hear that clicking sound, so that way it's secured into place. So you can carry it like this, or you can telescope the tiller out, wheel it behind you like a piece of luggage. So you have that option. Or just simply pick it up. It's not very heavy. Now, with the battery in the scooter, it does weigh 39 pounds. It's still pretty lightweight, but with it removed, it is 35 pounds. Folding and unfold it it's easy to do, but it does take a little bit of getting used to actually do it. But you press this lever down like that. I'd press it forward, but I would put my hand down like this and then put the handle down on the floorboard, and now it's unfolded. So that's how you unfold the GoGo Carbon. The best part about this chair is how you turn it on and how you actually unlock it. So this is your key. It's an NFC fob. So it's like a key fob. Pride does have the PX4, which has a fob like this, so it's very similar. So when you first get on, you press the scooter on, and then you can see that it's in this lock mode. So you have to put your key over top of these buttons like that, and now it unlocks. The display is super nice. So first thing is, when you turn it on, one thing to keep in mind is it always starts on the first speed level. There are 4 levels. If I press this rabbit up, it'll increase to the 4th level. Top speed's around 3.7, just under 4 miles per hour. 10-mile battery range. Another really great feature is it has this temperature. This is the temperature of your battery, so it's something to keep an eye on to make sure it doesn't get too hot. And it's great that Pride actually programmed this interface to show that. There is a front headlight. It's also very futuristic looking. A lot of these scooters or power wheelchairs from different brands, they have different, they're called beep codes. So the scooter might beep a certain amount of times, and that typically means something, like something needs to be fixed. Well, what Pride has done with this is they actually have the beep code show up on here. It's an actual image of whatever that specific issue is, and you can go to the user manual and it'll tell you exactly what it is. So it's easier to troubleshoot things, which is really well thought out. I really like that a lot. Also has a horn too. Ambidextrous tiller, so you can accelerate forward or backwards with just one hand. Yeah, all around really awesome folding mobility scooter. It's super lightweight. You'll see a lot of brands now are coming out with these super lightweight scooters. There's so many on the market, but as far as like quality and just the look and design of it, this is one of the most appealing and really like the sexiest scooter as far as like a folding scooter I've seen. So just to give you a little frame of reference, I like to do this. I'm pretty tall, so I'm 6'4". I can put my feet up here. You can see these are actual pads for taller riders. I do have the tiller telescoped all the way up, so that's as high as I can go. I can ride this just fine. It's no problem. Some people may not like this. For me personally, I think this is fine. If I want something that's lightweight, one of the lightest scooters on the market, it's airline approved. Being 6'4", I would be okay with this. Some people might not be, but I do feel like if you're under 6, if you're like 6'1", I feel like you could probably ride this thing just fine. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a super lightweight folding mobility scooter that has a really sleek design, one of the lightest scooters on the market. It's also made by Pride Mobility. They're one of the best brands in the powered mobility space. They have one of the best warranties, and their warranty includes a 1-year labor contract. So if anything goes wrong in the first year, they will first try to troubleshoot that with you, but if they can't fix it, they'll send a technician to you for the first year. So you have that peace of mind. And if you give us a call, we can throw in a 2nd year. Just mention this video, and we'll throw in a 2nd year of labor for free. If you have any questions about the GoGo Carbon or any of Pride Mobility's products, give us a call. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.